Hey guys, welcome to another video. On this episode, I'll be showing you 5 dividend stocks that have increased their dividend growth more than 50% in the last 3 years. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources to help you in your journey to building wealth. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. We produce new content every Tuesday and Thursday. Alright guys, before we begin this video, one of the things I want to address is the name change of my channel. My channel used to be called Building Wealth, but recently I changed it to Romel Building Wealth. I did that for 2 reasons. One was that I took advantage of the custom URL that YouTube allows you to do once you reach 100 subscribers. When I clicked on the link, I had Building Wealth as my channel name, and YouTube said that because there was a lot of people that used this name, I'd have to put a suffix or something that went on the end of it. So it'd have to be like Building Wealth with numbers or Building Wealth and letters after it, and I didn't want that. Because a lot of my other social media accounts are Romel Building Wealth, I thought it would make sense to make my YouTube channel more uniform and keep the same name. If you go on Instagram or Twitter, you'll see that my usernames are also Romel Building Wealth. However, on Twitter, there's one exception. Because of the character limit, it's actually Romel BLDG Wealth and not Romel Building Wealth. So that is why I actually changed my channel name. For those of you that also have 100 subscribers, make sure to do that because it helps to really customize your YouTube and make you more easy to search. Another thing I want to address is my subscriber count. At the time I'm making this video, I have around 254 subscribers. To me, that is huge. When I started this about 2 months ago, I didn't think I could get that type of traction. Honestly, this was just an experiment for me to help boost my financial literacy and share the things that I was learning along the way. Obviously, it's very encouraging and very supportive to see a lot of you guys subscribing, commenting, and really engaging with me on YouTube and my other social media platforms. Thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys, and I don't think I'd be making videos as frequently as I do if I didn't see continued support. So for those of you that have been with me since day one, thank you. For those of you that are newly subscribed, welcome, and looking forward to engaging with you guys some more. All right, stick around till the end of the video. On my last video, I got a comment about the degrees I graduated with. At the end of the video, I'll discuss that. But for now, let's dive into the 5 stocks that have dividend growth with over 50%. The first stock with over 50% is Cintas. Ticker symbol CTAS. Some background about Cintas. Cintas Corp is a uniform and related business services company that services North America, Latin America, Europe, and Asia. If you look at the logo, it actually says Cintas Document Management, but when you look at the profile of this company, it actually does more than just document management. It says here the company rents and services uniforms and other garments, including flame-resistant clothing, maps, mops, shop towels, and other ancillary items. It provides restroom cleaning services, supplies, carpet and towel cleaning services, as well as sells uniforms directly. So I think it's safe to say that Cintas is more than just document management. Obviously, it's more of a commercial services company. Now, if we look at the dividend payout, Cintas actually is trading at $284.08 at the time of making this video. With that, it pays an annual dividend of $2.55. The dividend yield is 0.9%, 0.90. I know that's kind of low, but what you want to do is invest in companies, especially the type of investor I am. I'm a long-term investor. I want to invest in companies that are safe and that have shown a proven track record to increase their dividends and to issue their dividends to their shareholders. As you can see with this information, the dividend growth, the 3-year average, is 91.73%. In 2014, it was $1.62. At the end of 2018, it was $2.05. And in the end of 2019, it was $2.55. As you can see, those are some big gains. I know it is a fairly small dividend yield, but we're looking for stability. We're looking for companies that we can hold dollar cost average and keep for a long time. The next company I want to talk about is one in the pharmaceutical industries sector, and that's AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. This one, unlike Cintas, has a higher dividend yield at 4.74%. Just some background about the company. AbbVie discovers, develops, manufactures, and sells pharmaceutical products all over the world, in the United States, Japan, Germany, Canada, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, and a whole bunch of other countries. Some of the drugs that you may know are Humira, Imbruvica, and a whole bunch of other pharmaceutical-related drugs. The dividend growth, the 3-year average, has increased 87.72%. This is a huge increase. And the nice part about this is that they do actually have a fairly high dividend yield. Historically, you could see that in 2017, the company issued 64 cents in dividends quarterly. In 2018, quarter two, that increased to 96 cents. In 2019, that increased again to $1.07. And in quarter one of 2020, that increased again to $1.18. The stock is currently trading at around $97, and the annual dividend is $4.72. This is a great company. As you can see, there's been some great dividend growth, and it pays out quarterly, unlike Cintas. So that's another great company for you to look into. The third company I'd want to talk about is called A.O. Smith, ticker symbol AOS. This company manufactures and markets residential and commercial gas and electric heaters, boilers, tanks, and water treatment products in North America, China, Europe, and India. It operates 2 segments, North America and the rest of the world. So it's basically a mechanical equipment servicing company. Right now, AOS is trading at $51.06. Regarding the dividend, this also has fairly high dividend growth. The 3-year average is 87.5%. However, unlike AbbVie, this has a relatively low dividend yield at 1.88%. However, keep in mind, a lot of these companies, whether they're high or low dividend yields, it's more about stability. It's more about holding for the long term. This dividend yield is 1.88%. And this company, similar to AbbVie, issues quarterly dividends. If we look at the historical information about dividends payments by quarter, 2017, they issued 14 cents in dividends. 2018, they increased it to 18 cents. 2019, they increased it to 22 cents. And in 2020, they increased it again to 24 cents. All right, the fourth company I want to talk to you about regarding dividends and high dividend growth is Illinois Tool Works, ticker symbol ITW. Illinois Tool Works manufactures, sells industrial products and equipment worldwide. It has 7 different business lines, including automotive OEM, food equipment, tests and measurement and electronics, welding, polymers and fluids, construction products, and specialty products. So this is very much industrial type of stock. It issues a lot of tools and equipment to different sorts of industries. Right now, it's currently trading at $181.94, and its current dividend yield is 2.4%. Regarding dividend growth, this is another one with over 50% dividend growth. The 3-year average is 72.5%. The annual dividend for this company is $4.28. This company issues quarterly dividends. In 2017, the company had a quarterly dividend of 78 cents. In 2018, quarter 4, it increased it to $1. And in 2019, quarter 4, it increased it again to $1.07. Finally, the last and final company I'd like to recommend, or at least bring to light with high dividend growths over a 3-year average, is Lowe's. Lowe's is a home improvement store similar to Home Depot's. Right now, the company is trading at $145. The ticker symbol is LOW. The dividend yield for this company is 1.53%, and it actually issues quarterly dividends as well. The 3-year average for dividend growth is 63.49% for this company. In 2017, it issued 41 cents as a quarterly dividend. In 2019, quarter 3, it increased it to 48 cents. In 2019, quarter 3, it increased it again to where it currently is at 55 cents. All right, guys, those are 5 companies with high 3-year average dividend growths. These companies are stable. They show very good historical evidence of issuing dividends and increasing their dividends. And most of these companies are widely known, so it's not like a small startup. These are very established companies. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Pretty sure you're going to like what you see, but nonetheless, whenever you invest, you should always do your own research before you buy your stocks. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned a question that I got regarding the degrees that I have that someone from my previous video commented about. So the 2 degrees I have are, the first one is my Bachelor's of Architecture from City College of New York. For those that you don't know, I'm born and raised in New York. I also went to school in New York, basically for my whole life. And so the first degree I got was from City College. Go Beavers. I actually have a background in architecture. I worked for an architect for a couple of years, and now I work on the construction side of things. The second degree I have is actually my Master's of Construction Management from NYU. After I worked for an architect for a couple of years, I realized that I wanted to understand more about construction and how construction sequencing, scheduling, and the whole process works. So I left the architecture firm, went to work for a general contractor, and at the same time, I applied and started my master's degree at NYU. For me, that was a very good shift because there's different skill sets between architects and construction managers. One is more drafting and creative related, and the other one is more methodical, procedure, and very paperwork heavy. Both are very, very fun, very creative, and very rewarding in their own respects. But I think I do like the construction management side of things and just being able to oversee the full project and really have an impact on the day-to-day sequencing and outcomes. So there you go. Those are my 2 degrees. Like I mentioned, those are not in any way, shape, or form related to financial literacy, personal finance, investing, or any of that stuff. This is really just a labor of love for me to help you guys, to share the things that I'm learning, and to show you some of the investing moves and my accounts that I'm making and that I have. That's all I have for this video, guys. If you like the stock picks that I gave you, please smash the like button to let the YouTube algorithm know that you appreciate and that you like the quality of the content that we produce. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any other stocks with high dividend growth rates over the past 3 years. I'd be interested to see. I know these are some of the highest ones that I've seen, but who knows? I'm open to suggestions. The fun about doing research and watching other videos is that sometimes you're exposed to stocks you never knew existed. So let me know what you guys think. I'd be open to suggestions, comments, and engagement. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on my other social media accounts. I'll leave links in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.